Prime Minister Malcolm Turnbull has urged countries to show strength as well as compassion to deal the global refugee crisis in his first address to the United Nations General Assembly. Mr Turnbull pressed the need for strong border protection to combat people smuggling and terrorism while addressing world leaders in New York. "We believe that in order to secure and maintain public support for immigration, multiculturalism and a generous humanitarian program, the public need to know that it is their government which controls their borders," Mr Turnbull said. He said Australia's response to the refugee crisis is based on three inherently interlinked pillars of strong border control, a compassionate humanitarian policy and effective international and regional cooperation. "We need compassion to assist those less fortunate than ourselves and to help rebuild communities that have been devastated by war or natural disasters, and now, more than ever, we need to work together towards common solutions," he said. He said the three pillars could not work in isolation. "Without policies to ensure that we can control who enters Australia, it would not have been possible for our government to maintain the world's third-largest permanent refugee resettlement program," he said. Mr Turnbull said Australia was one of the most successful multicultural societies in the world because of the government's commitment to settlement services. "We are both as old as the oldest continuous human culture of our first Australians, and as young as the child in the arms of her migrant parents. We are not defined by race, religion or culture but by shared political values of democracy, the rule of law and equality of opportunity, a fair go," Mr Turnbull said. "We are indeed an immigration nation and our immigrants are as diverse as the society that they have joined." He drew on